All right, so let's look at the review number 3. We're going to be dealing with systems of equations. All right, so my first one deals with graphing. All right, so my first equation is in standard form, which is ax plus by equals c. And my second one is in slope-intercept form. All right, in slope-intercept form, whatever's next to the x, this is our slope, and this is our y-intercept. So I can really quickly go ahead and graph this equation. So my y-intercept, let's go 1, 2, 3, down to -4. And then my slope is 2, so it means I'm going to go up 1, 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and continue that pattern until I cannot any longer. All right, so let's go ahead and connect these dots. All right, so there's my first line. Y equals 2x minus 4. All right, so now you're probably like, great, this 2x plus 3y equals 12. How am I going to solve this? Well, this is what you're going to do. So you're going to set 2x equal to 12. And you're going to get x equals 6. So you're going to go over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and put a lovely dot right there. Now you're going to do the same thing. 3y equals 12. So that means that y equals 4. And you're going to go up on the y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put a dot. And then you're going to connect them in the straightest line possible. And if you look, my lines cross at that point. So the point of intersection is 1, 2, 3. So the solution to the system would be 3, and you went up 2. No big deal, right? All right. So substitution. So remember when I'm out and I have a substitute? So I'm going to substitute. So they tell me here that y equals 2x minus 4. So wherever y is in my first equation, I'm going to replace it with that 2x minus 4 equals 12. So now I have an equation written with only one variable. All right, so let's go ahead and distribute. 2x plus 6x minus 12 equals 12. So I mean 8x minus 12 equals 12. All right, so add 12. 8x equals 24. Divide 8x equals 3. All right, so but I'm not done yet. I gotta solve for y. So y is going to equal 2 times 3 minus 4. So y equals 6 minus 4, so y equals 2. So looky there, 3, 2, and if you notice, they're the same equation, so I know I did it right because they're both 3, 2. So it makes it a little easier. All right, so elimination by adding. So what I'm going to do, draw a line, and I'm just going to add them up. So 2 and a -2, this cancels. And then 3y plus y gives me a 4y, which is equal to 12 minus 4, which is 8. So to solve for y, I'm going to divide, so y equals 2. All right, so great, I figured out y. How do I solve for x? Well, great question. I'm going to plug in my value for y into one of my original equations. It doesn't matter which. I chose my first one. So I've got 2x plus 3 times 2, so it becomes 2x plus 6 equals 12. So let's go ahead and start simplifying and getting x by itself. So 2x equals 6, so then I can look here, x equals 3. So again, the solution to this set would be 3, 2. So yippee. All right, so elimination by multiplying first. All right, so if I look here, I've got 4x plus 6y equals 24. 2x minus y equals 4. Well, if I want to eliminate x, I'm going to have to multiply this equation by 2 and this one by 4. That's a lot more work than I want to do. So, but if I look at my y's, all I have to do is multiply my second equation by 6, and I can eliminate that variable. So I'm going to go ahead and bring down 4x plus 6y equals 24. Now I'm going to multiply my second equation, so it's 12x minus 6y equals 24. So let's go ahead and combine these puppies. Well, 4x and 12x gives me a 16x, which is equal to 48. So divide 16 on both sides. X is going to equal 3. So now, got to solve for y. So I pick one of my original equations. I'm going to use the 2x minus y because it shows the least amount of work. So I've got 6 minus y equals 4. Subtract 6. Negative y equals negative 2. So then that means y equals 2. So again, the solution to this system is 3, 2. So when you're looking below, I want you to use on your FSA review to solve these word problems. Use the same process that you used on the previous examples on the Algebra FSA review number 2. So I say that because you're writing equations. It's the same process. So all you need to do is underline what's important and then write the equation. Once you're done with these, I would like you to come check your work with mine.